Sige, try natin. Dito. Okay. Yun lang eh. 10, 3, 4. Listen. Ganun lang ang umpisa niya eh. Again, 2, 3, and
listen to the sound here in my heart. Lagi na lang ako namamali sa the.
The, alright. The. Put your teeth right behind your, your tongue right behind your front teeth.
To the song.
The. You have to feel the vibration of the, right. Okay. Pag ganon, pag nire-rehearse mo ang kanta, unang anuhin mo, paano i-pronounce? Huwag mo munang kantahin para hindi mapapagod yung boses mo. Sabihin mo man yung lyrics according to the rhythm. Listen, breathe to the song. Para matuwid mo rin, makorek mo rin yung kailangan anuhin mo sa diction. Na hindi napapagod ang boses mo. So, three-step process. No? Basahin mo yung lyrics according to the rhythm, maayos mo yung diction, paplano mo na kung saan mo dapat huminga. Okay. Second, aralin mo yung melody. Walang lyrics muna. Para ma-practice mo kung saan ka hihinga, kung paano yung melody, para hindi mapagod. Huwag mong saksak mo ng lyrics. Maski na sa A muna, para masakyan mo rin yung paano yung line. Doon mo masusuri kung paano yung takbo dapat eh. Kung dapat napaplano mo. Okay, when you've got both working together, pagsama mo yung lyrics at yung melody. Yon. That way, medyo na-store na sa memory mo eh. Ganito dapat, doon ka dapat mag-breathe. Ganito dapat ang pronunciation mo. Na hindi na, sabay-sabay yung nangyayari sa utak mo. Right? So, you go through a three-step process. Mas magiging, systematic yung pag-aral mo. Mabilis yon. Kasi yung process na yan, mangyayari, kunyari, Sunday, binigay sa inyo material, yun ang dapat ginagawa nyo. Okay? Sa Sunday. Huwag mo muna kasi natin within the week. So at least yan, process na yan, magagawa nyo on your own. The moment binigay sa inyo yung material. Okay? Sige, let's try it again.
Ay, bawal.
Swallow. You need to drink. You need to drink.
To the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete.
Keep that up.
Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be.
Yeah. Sorry. The time has come. Not too major, but time has come. Sige, okay lang. Magsala naman. The time,
Hindi pa naman
the time has come. Parang ata. Parang maganda siya. Yeah.
They will not be pushed aside and turned.
Pushed aside. Don't cut the Don't put the glottal on kasi ba break and break flow mo. Pushed aside.